Amber Heard claims she has chosen to settle the case against Johnny Depp for defamation. The protracted legal dispute was set to enter its next round in an appeals court, but Ms. Heard declared she wanted it to be over since it was taking a financial and emotional toll. The actress Amber Heard announced in an Instagram post on Monday that she had decided to end the protracted legal battle after losing at trial earlier this year and had no plans to pursue her appeal of the defamation case involving her ex-husband, Johnny Depp. When Ms. Heard referred to herself in a 2018 op-ed in the Washington Post as a public figure symbolizing domestic abuse, a jury in Virginia determined in June that she had defamed Mr. Depp, granting Mr. Depp a damages award of over $10 million. The jury also determined that Mr. Depp had slandered Ms. Heard through a statement made by his attorney, and Ms. Heard was given $2 million as a result. The fact that both sides had appealed the portions of the case they had each lost suggested a drawn-out and expensive battle would ensue in Virginia's Court of Appeals. Ms. Heard, however, said on Monday that she did not want to pursue the matter. After much thought, I have decided to settle the defamation lawsuit my ex-husband filed in Virginia against me, she wrote in her post. The settlement's details were unclear, and demands for comment from Ms. Heard's and Mr. Depp's attorneys went unanswered right away. The livestream trial dominated the internet for weeks, with a lot of the hate directed against Ms. Heard, whose allegations of domestic abuse and sexual assault became the focus of jokes and memes. Ms. Heard claimed in her essay that the online harassment contributed to her choice not to pursue her appeal. In the statement, it was stated that the vilification I have experienced on social media is an exaggerated version of the ways in which women are re-victimized when they come forward. As a result of my unprotected testimony being used as entertainment and social media fodder by the American court system, I have lost faith in it and have made this decision. The agreement's conditions, she said in the post, did not limit what she may say about the matter. Mr. Depp has consistently denied abusing Ms. Heard, and he has presented her as the aggressor in the relationship throughout the trial. The legal disputes between Mr. Depp and Ms. Heard have been ongoing for years. A British judge had determined that there was proof that Mr. Depp had beaten Ms. Heard repeatedly. After being referred to as a wife-beater by The Sun, a British tabloid newspaper, Mr. Depp launched a libel lawsuit. In the title, the defendants had to prove that what they published was substantially true, according to the judge in that case. In her essay, Ms. Heard expressed her reluctance to have the accusations brought up in court once more, which would likely happen if her appeal was successful. Ms. Heard wrote in her essay, "I simply cannot go through it for a third time. I cannot afford to risk an unattainable cost, one that is not only financial, but also psychological, physical, and emotional." Following his victory in Virginia, Mr. Depp has cautiously re-entered the public glare by participating in a fashion show supported by Rihanna and developing movies. Ms. Heard has largely avoided the media limelight. She has been battling her insurance carrier in federal court, which is attempting to